The quickest way to make yourself throw up is to use clean fingers to trigger your gag reflex. Here's how to do it. Wash your hands and cut your nails to avoid scratching your throat. Pull your hair up, if you have long hair, to get it out of your way. Choose where you're going to vomit. It can either be in the toilet, a bucket, sit down or kneel in a way that doesn't press your abdominal area. You don't want extra pressure over your stomach. Insert your index finger into your mouth and reach towards the back of the throat. Press the finger down in the back of your throat as far as needed to trigger your gag reflex. Once you start feeling nausea, remove the finger quickly. You'll likely throw up right away. If you feel nausea but can't throw up, try once again. Wash your hands after vomiting. Rinse your mouth and do gargles with plain water to remove leftover stomach acid from your mouth and throat. Don't brush your teeth until 30 minutes after you throw up. Your enamel will be sensitive after coming into contact with your stomach acid.